There's a standard, an Australian New Zealand standard called 1680. This is the lighting design code, if you like. This is the number of different documents within this series of standards. There's many, many hundreds of pages if you care to purchase them and read them. This is the guiding document which says, when we design lights for, especially for offices and factories and our places of work and study, this is how we do it. It's very involved, but I'm going to try and break this down for you into half a dozen different elements and sort of describe to you what they are. So there's sort of six or seven different elements that are sort of inherent in this standard. The first one is the average maintained lux. Now, lux is the light falling on a surface. Okay, so when you're working at your desk, you want a certain amount of light falling on that surface so you can read or do whatever it is you're doing. That's lux. And we want the average lux in the space and maintained lux, I'll talk about in a moment, to be of a certain level. And the standard spells out, for these different kinds of applications, for offices, for screen-based tasks, for schools and hospitals and factories, this is the lux, recommended minimum lux levels, light levels on the work surface. Uniformity of lux, you want that light to be fairly consistent across the workspace. You don't want bright spots here and dark spots over here. The next one is cut-off angle, which I'll talk about in a moment. That's to do with sort of not having a very bright light source in your field of view. The colour temperature of the lamp, I'll talk about. Colour rendering, glare index, I won't worry too much about. So I'll break each of those down for you.